Hi there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to our unforgettable vacation. So today we are diving into the world of Royal Caribbean with 10 essential tips to make your 2023 cruise an absolute blast. So grab your notepad and let's get started. So here is your tip number one. Choose the perfect ship. With so many incredible options, it's crucial to pick the one that suits your preference. Whether you're seeking a thrilling adventure or a relaxing getaway, Royal Caribbean has something for everyone. We'll discuss the best ships for families, couples, and even solo travelers, so stay tuned in our channel. So tip number two. Plan your itinerary wisely. Royal Caribbean offers an array of exciting destinations from stunning Caribbean islands to breathtaking Europe cities. We'll guide you through the massive port of call and share insider tips on making the most of our time in each destination. So get ready to explore like a pro. So tip number three, packing hacks. We all know how challenging it can be to fit everything into one suitcase, but fear not, we've got you covered. From essential items to pack to clever space-saving techniques will ensure you're prepared for any situation while keeping your luggage light and hassle-free. So tip number four, dining options. Royal Caribbean is famous for its incredible dining experiences. We'll reveal the various dining options available on board, from formal dining rooms to specialty restaurants and casual eateries. Plus, we'll provide insights on how to make the most of dining packages to enhance your culinary adventure. So tip number five, onboard activities. Get ready to have the time of your life while at sea. We'll unveil the thrilling activities and entertainment options that will keep you engaged and entertained throughout your cruise. From water slides to zip lines to Broadway style shows, Royal Caribbean never fails to deliver the wow factor. So tip number six, the key to adventure. So Royal Caribbean Keys program offers exclusive perks and privileges that can take your cruise experience to the next level. We'll give you an inside look at this fantastic program, including priority boarding, access to private areas, and even reserved seating at shows. Discover how the key can make your cruise even more extraordinary. How amazing. So tip number seven, excursions and show exploration. So while the ship is incredible, the destinations are equally important. So we'll guide you through the process of choosing the best shore excursions, whether you prefer exploring ancient ruins or maybe you just like snorkeling in crystal clear waters or indulging in local cuisine. Don't miss out on these unforgettable experiences. So tip number eight, spa and wellness. So treat yourself to ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation at the luxurious onboard spa. We'll introduce you to the various treatments, fitness classes, wellness activities available. Get ready to pamper yourself and find your inner zen amidst the ocean's tranquility. So tip number nine is capturing those memories. Your cruise will undoubtedly be filled with precious moments and memories that you'll want to cherish forever. So we'll share our top tips for capturing stunning photos and videos, including the best locations on the ship and expert photography techniques. And lastly, we have tip number 10, which is staying connected. We understand that while on vacation, you might still want to stay connected with your loved ones or share your amazing experiences with the world. Royal Caribbean provides various internet packages to keep you connected throughout your journey. So we'll discuss the options available, including Wi-Fi, hotspots, and internet cafes to ensure that you are always just a click away. So there you have it. Those are the 10 essential tips to make your Royal Caribbean cruise in 2023 an absolute success. From choosing the perfect ship to staying connected, we've covered everything you need to know to have an incredible vacation. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest travel tips and